let's go mountain biking. Okay, the plan is to cycle north on the Eshaness, on the North Mainland side, on the Eshaness cliffline. We're going to stop at Eshaness, that's where our cycle's going to start. It's just here on the map, here, there, can you see it? There, we'll put it there, right? We're going to cycle along the cliff edge, heading north. We're going to pass the Eshaness lighthouse, the whole of Scrad, the Grind of Navir, and the aim is to make it to Tingon. There's a very cool feature at the end of a dirt track there called the Warie Gill. I'm sure it's the Warie Gill, not the Warie Gill. Either way, it's very cool. However, we might not make it. I'm going to put the caveats in just now because doing these vloggy things sometimes chews up a bit of time, and I might just get a bit fed up. So you'll have to watch to the end of this to see if we make it. But either way, I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it. Come along for the ride. Let's see how we get on. Right, we're here. We've made it alive to Eshaness. It's looking pretty cool. There's the door home over there. And we're going to head along the cliff line up over to Eshaness, the Eshaness lighthouse, Paul of Scrad, Grind of Navir, and fingers crossed we make it over to Tingon as well. But like I said, you'll need to watch the end of this video to see if we actually made it. Bit windy, bit overcast, bit of rain. We're in Shetland, this is how it goes. Mental. I always think it's like a lunar landscape. I'd imagine some weird planet to look like this. Eshaness lighthouse ahead of us. Awesome. I really would have hated to have been the guy that did that wall.
The Grind of Navir. We made it. It's been a bit of a slog, a bit wet in places, but pretty cool. This is the Warie Gill. It's some feature actually. So, we're done. I really enjoyed that spin. The weather's been a bit iffy today, a bit grey, a bit wet in places, but the sun came out, and on the whole it was still pretty good, to be fair. It is March up here, the weather's still a bit iffy, and the wind's up a bit, but I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and it gives you an idea, hopefully, of what mountain biking in Shetland's like. Our trails are quite rough, quite crude. A lot of them are just basically sheep trails that we kind of steal from the sheep. But the views are epic. We've got plenty of space, and if you use your imagination, you can piece together some very, very cool runs. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I really enjoyed making it, and hopefully I'll get out to do some more adventures and knock some more of these up. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.